first we're going to use this building here to show you how to do this. So first I'm going to select the picture. I can select with my cursor here, or I can hit A for all and select it. So I have it selected. Now I'm going to press tab to go into edit mode, or I can go up to the left where it says object mode, hit the down button and hit edit mode. So now I have the whole thing selected. We're going to use our tool here. And our tool, first up here you see these three little boxes here. This first one is vertex select. Vertex are these little dots here on each edge. If you have a box, you'll have them on all sides. So if I hit one of these dots and I hit the move button here and I start pulling, this is what happened. I can manipulate the picture. This one here is an edge select. This select all edges all the way around whatever you're dealing with. So the same here, I can pull there and I can make it bigger, make it longer, whatever. All right, the next one is face. Face will be like the front. If it was a side here, I can hit the whole side, or I can hit the back. That selects that. So we're going to work mostly with the edge select here. So if I hit edge select and I click on one of these edges, hold down control and hit R, you see that yellow line come across. Now to activate, if I move now, nothing happens. But if I activate it by pressing L, I can move, left mouse, I can move that yellow line up and down. So I'm gonna take it here. I'm gonna make it clean right now. So I'm gonna go right below this ledge here and click one time with my left mouse. And that actually applies the cut. So I have that in to let you see that it do. I clicked on the other edge and there you go. There's your cut. Now I want to go down here. I want to make cuts all the way around this building so I can get rid of the sky. So I do that by, I can press again right here, hold down control, hit R, you get another yellow line, left click, bring it to this edge, click again, it made a cut. Now I want to make one down the side, so I'm going to continue by doing them all. Control R, make sure you got your yellow line, left click, here, click. Now I'm going to go across, click that line, control R, line there, left click, bring it up, click. Make another one, click. And last cut, click. Now I have all my cuts. So if I click off, you see all these cuts here. So I want to get rid of everything that I don't want there. So in order to do that, I got to delete the faces that's here. The faces are, remember, the fronts, sides, and backs. Right now I'm doing the fronts and the bottom. So I go to a face select here. I click there. In order to select multiple at a time, I hold down shift and then I just keep pressing while I'm holding shift. Okay, because I don't want the top here, that's why I'm doing this, is I want it to be straight. So if I go here, get rid of everything that I want to delete, and now I right click, go down to delete faces, right click and go down to delete faces, and that gets rid of everything there. So now I have everything gone. So let's say for instance, now I want to get into making it look more 3D. So if I go back to edge select here, I click on the line, I'm going to bring this little small building out. So if I control R, I get my line, left click one time to move it, and I want it on the edge here and press left click. Now I go back to face mode so I can select it. Hold down shift to select multiple. Now I got it. Now what I want to do is bring this out to make it look more 3D. So I'm extrude it. So if I hit X, and now I can move it out. Now it's moved out. So let's say, for instance, I want to do this side of the building too. If I click while it's in face select, and now all I got to do is hold down E and then pull it out. And there you go. So now it's more 3D. So if somebody looking from the side, they won't just see a flat picture. They'll be like, oh, it's a real building over there. And of course, these are to be used for distances, things like that. Yep. So I can even go a little further if I want to add something over to the side. I'm going to go to Edge, select here, click here, hold down Control, hit R. Right here, left click again, bring that over to the edge, and click. So now I'm going to go back to face mode. I'm going to hit that, hit that. Now I want to bring it backwards, so I'm going to hit it, and I'm going to bring the building back. Make it look like a building. And there you go. I can even go as far as taking this, go back up to edge select up here at the top, go on the edge here, click one of the edges and hit Control R, get my line, and I want to go here at the edge, and I hit that. Now I can go back up to face select, click that face that I just cut, and hit E for extrude and pull backwards. Now I can make the side of my building. Now we're going to get into texturing, like places that we're stretching that we want to look different. We can do that later. But right now, as you see, we can turn this building 3D. So I got that there. I can actually do the same with the top of this building here. If I go back into edge select, go here, hit that, Control R, get my line, click right there on the edge. You see where I cut it at right there? Now I go back to face select because I want to select the faces. If I hit that and I want to hit this one here, turn it to the side so I can see, hold down E for extrude and pull it back. And there go the side of my building. So, as you see, we can use that to build out buildings and all different type of things like that. So if somebody's seeing it, they'll think you have a building in there, and you really don't. You can cut out windows if you want to, add little different things inside of the windows. There's so much you can do. You add different textures on this to make it look different. You just do so many different things. So if I hit tab, come back in object mode, there you go.